The wealth architecture. Mastering the psychology of saving and strategic budgeting in an era of rising inflation and global economic shifts, personal finance is no longer just about counting pennies. It is the fundamental architecture of your freedom and long-term security. Most people treat budgeting as a restrictive cage, but the financially elite view it as a roadmap to their most ambitious dreams. The true mastery of wealth starts with the psychology of spending, understanding that every dollar you spend is a seed that could have grown into a forest of financial independence. To escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, you must implement the 50-30-20 rule. With a modern twist, allocating 50% to essentials, 30% to your lifestyle, and a non-negotiable 20% to savings and debt elimination. However, in the high-cost environment of 2026, the most successful individuals are moving toward zero-based budgeting, where every single cent is assigned a specific mission before the month even begins. This eliminates the invisible leaks, those small, recurring subscriptions and impulse purchases that quietly drain thousands of dollars from your potential net worth every year. By auditing your bank statements with the precision of a forensic accountant, you transform your relationship with money from a source of stress into a source of power. The cornerstone of this fortress is the emergency fund, a liquid reserve of 3 to 6 months of expenses that acts as your personal insurance against the unpredictability of life. In today's volatile job market, this is not a luxury, it is a mandatory requirement for mental peace. But saving alone is not enough. You must save with velocity. This means moving your stagnant cash from traditional low-interest savings accounts into high-yield savings accounts, HYSA, or money market funds, where your capital earns a meaningful return while remaining accessible. We are currently witnessing a shift toward automated finance, where technology removes human emotion from the equation. By setting up automatic transfers to your investment accounts and emergency funds the moment your paycheck hits, you effectively pay yourself first. This creates a psychological barrier that prevents you from spending what you don't see, ensuring that your wealth grows silently and consistently in the background of your life. Furthermore, we must address the debt trap, specifically high-interest credit card debt, which is the ultimate enemy of wealth accumulation. Utilizing strategies like the debt snowball, or the debt avalanche, allows you to systematically dismantle your liabilities while building psychological momentum. As we navigate the complex financial waters of 2026, the distinction between good debt, mortgages and low-interest business loans, and bad debt, consumer credit, has never been more critical. Financial literacy is the only hedge against a world designed to keep you consuming. It involves mastering the delayed gratification principle, choosing the freedom of tomorrow over the fleeting pleasure of today. Whether you are saving for a down payment on a home, your children's Ivy League education, or an early retirement, the math remains the same. It's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and how hard that money works for you. By staying disciplined, leveraging the power of compound interest, and maintaining a wealth-first mindset, you aren't just managing money. You are designing a life of absolute autonomy and choosing a future where work is an option, not a necessity.